Yesterday we were watching with my roommate Janko Zamernik the score Japan-Slovenia. I think it was 8-3 for them and 7-0 in the last matches. So, but I had a feeling. I said it before because we were really doing something crazy in this VNL. It was not easy, it was very hard. Today I was joking with the referee, I say this is day 100 of VNL, give us a little bit of rest. We are tired. But yeah, I'm so happy, this team deserves it, and I say now to Tine and Pajang, 20 years they're waiting for a medal and it came.
Go and celebrate.
Evo ih. Dvajset let smo čakali, pravim.
But we are so happy, it's like gold for us. I always say, I just want to finish the tournament with a win, and finally it happened. I'm really proud of this team. We did something special because for Slovenia, it's first one and will be remembered forever.
Ja, prva medalja v Ligi narodov
just going crazy right now. Do you have a message for them?
Vsem smo tule dokazali, kam spadamo med najboljše na svetu.
Hvala vsem familijam, ki ste stran od nas, pa ste vseeno skupaj z nami, vedno v srcu. Res, ta medalja je tudi za vas, tako da vso delo se končno poplačajo. Hvala vsem.
Ja, tega ne bomo prevajali.